Hello people, in this video I am going to share a method where you can earn a good amount of money by writing and by typing. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. I will be keep on sharing content like this. So let's start this video. So today we are going to share a website called medium.com. So most of the people out there don't know about medium.com. It is a website where most of the people type and earn a good amount of money from their home. So let's see the traffic for this website. Okay, so it has a 153 million, means it has a 15 crore people were visiting this website monthly. So you have a lots and lots of opportunity in this website where you can build your audience and earn from your home, and it's hundreds and thousands of dollars from your home. So let's begin this video with some boom. So let's start this video. Just you have to come to medium.com and create your account. The process is so simple. You can create an account within 10 to 15 minutes, and you can go to your profile and you can click medium partner program. So in this program, whoever reads your content, I mean you can write like this, how to make money from YouTube's new short platform, like stuff like that. And if someone reads that your content in medium.com, you will earn a amount of money how much time they spent in your content. So it is a best method you can earn from your home. So let's go to medium partner program. Yeah, you can see this, you can see the dashboard here. Earn money from your writing, and you can apply here by applying now. And here is the partner program application. Thanks for your interest in partner program. This form will walk you through the application process. Our team will review your complete application, and you can expect here back from us soon. So you can start by clicking here, and you can read all the stuff like this. You should have at least 100 followers. You can apply in this program, and you can click continue. You can click continue, and you can fill this. If you don't have 100 followers, you can click no, and you can complete this application. And you can also build your audience in medium partner by just clicking this. Like you can go with, you can start your process just by, I will explain you through the process. You can write a story here, and you can also start with medium partner program, and you can start writing over here. So yeah, you can start writing like for example, how to enroll in Skillshare, is that Skillshare is a best platform to learn stuff like that. You can go to Google and search like Skillshare review. You can go to Google and search for Skillshare review, and you can get you can lots of blog upon Skillshare. You can get the idea from there, and you can take the idea and build your audience in medium.com. See, you can see lots and lots of opportunities over here. You can build your audience in medium.com, and you can earn thousands of hundreds of dollars in medium.com, the best platform. If someone reads your content, you will surely earn the amount they spend in your content, the amount you earn. So you can start writing, like you can have a opportunity, you can get that review program from here. You can get the idea from here, and you can start writing like how to like Skillshare review. See, the medium.com has the huge number of opportunities. 115 crores people are visiting this platform monthly. You can use you can use Grammarly. I will share the link in my description box. You can use share Grammarly to write this content, and you can post 1 to 2 content daily. In a month or 2 months, sure, you will get a huge amount of traffic, and you can earn a good amount of money from your home. And you can also get the traffic from topups.median.com. So here you can see, like if I click this, it will lead me to medium.com. You can create an account in Medium, like top publication, and you can post your content in this platform. Like, see, it is like see this platform also has a good number of traffic, but we can't able to see here. You can get this, you can create your account in topups.smedian.com, and you can create a content here, and which leads the traffic to your content in medium.com. If the lot number of traffic visit your content, if they read your content, surely you are going to earn lots and lots of money from your home. And keep the photos like the like medium.com has a good opportunity, like I will show you. Like, you can see here, by clicking this, you can see you can add images. Please add the images of non-living things, like don't add the images of living things, because it does not attracts most, but living non-living things attracts most. Like you can add images of Skillshare image here, and you can also search image from Unsplash website from directly within here, and you can also add a video. And also you can embed a link, like you, but don't embed a link in the Medium partner program, but it does not accept that. Yeah, this is the best platform. You can start writing your content in medium.com, and you can earn a good amount of money from your home. Use Grammarly, because it is a best platform. It will help you to it will correct the grammar mistakes. And yeah, you can earn a good amount of money. You just have to give your 1 to 2 hours or 30 to 50 minutes in a day, where you can create a 2 to 3 content or 1 to 2 content in medium.com, and you can start earning from your home. So I think you can get the idea from Quora. Like you can search like how to Skillshare review, or Skillshare is the best platform. You can search Quora, and you can get the content from Quora, and you can start writing your content in medium partner program. Yes, you can earn a good amount of money. So please try this method. It will help you to create a huge, and you can earn a good amount of money. And you can also go to Google and type your content related ideas, and you can get more and more ideas. Like you can also write a review of SEMrush, which is a best platform for SEO and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this video. I think I have shared maximum information to you, and you can start earning. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.